Hi dear students, good morning. This is your Shalam Sai Krishna. Welcome to our school YouTube channel. In this class, we have to discuss the remaining concepts of the fourth chapters. Yes, by these concepts, we have to conclude this our chapter. Okay. Up to that last class, we discussed so many basic concepts of the force and the types of the force and examples of the force. What is the difference between of the different kinds of the force? Also, we discussed in these concepts. We have to discuss the net force. What is that net force? What is meant by the net force? Suppose it is in one of the table. On the table there is in one book. Okay, on this book there is in two kinds of the forces are working. One only the gravitational force is working in the downward direction. Again one only opposite to the gravitational force, the normal force will be working. One only the gravitational force in the downward direction. Again one only normal force in the upward direction. Okay, one kind of the force in the upward, one kind of the force in the downward direction. Some of these two force we have to consider as the normal force is working on these objects. As suppose same on this table, as two persons also applying the force in the same direction. First person applying force is F, second person also applying force is F. F plus F, that is 2F. F plus F, that is 2F. What is the net force of these? What is the net force on this table? 2F is the net force on this table. Some of the forces which is working on the particular object simultaneously, that we have to consider as a net force only. Here that working the normal force, here the working of the gravitational force. One only in the upward direction, again one only the downward direction. Both also against to each other, but in the second situation, two persons also applying the same force in the same direction. That means F plus F, 2F is the net force on this table. Yes, these are the net force. Generally, suppose again one table we have to take here. From this one person, from this side again one person is applying the force is capital F, is applying the force also capital F. Both also equal and in opposite direction. At the time, what is the net force? What is the net force? Is one only F from this direction. Again one also F, but it is in the opposite direction. That's why we have to take as a negative. While using of the sign convention, F S minus, that means working of the net force will become as a 0. Why the net force become as a 0? Two members also applying the same forces from the different direction. It become as a 0. What is my question? Is there any chance, is there any possibility to move this table in any one direction? There is no possibility to move in any one direction because of both also applying the same force. Suppose he is applying 5 newtons, he is applying 3 newtons at this situation. What is the net force on this table? Is 5 plus 3 minus 3. 5 plus 3, 5 plus minus 3. At the time 5 minus 2, that means 2 newtons of the force is working in the towards of this direction. Bench will be moving in this direction because of is applying the more force. The first person is applying more force than second person. Yes, these concepts we have to remember. It is a net force. Simply you have to take that one rubber band and keep to your 2 fingers. Rubber band you have to keep and stretch it. Is that rubber band also applying some force on your fingers? That force we have to consider as the F. Again second rubber band you have to take and keep here. The second rubber band also applying some force on these 2 fingers. That means F plus F, which become as a what? 2F. It become as a what? 2F. Suppose if you take one more rubber band at the time, the force will become has 3F. That means each rubber applying that F force on your fingers. That means how many rubber bands we take? 3 rubber bands. 3 rubber bands also applying the F plus F plus F. That means what is the force? 3F force is working on your fingers. 3F force is working on your fingers. What is the net force? 3F is not only in the same direction, maybe in the different directions also. That also we have to consider. Just we have to consider one more example. This is in a free body diagram we have to take. What we have to take free body diagram is, what is meant by the free body diagram? Different kinds of the forces working in all directions on particular objects. Different kinds of the forces will be work on the object in all directions. That we have to consider as a free body diagram. Suppose on this car, engine is applying the force towards of the front side. As engine applying is on the tires opposite to the applied force. Engine applying force is applied force. Opposite to the applied force on the tires, frictional force will be working. Which force will be working? Frictional force will be working. Again, one downward direction, which force will be working? The gravitational force will be working. Again, on the car, normal force N1 and N2 also working. N1 and N2 also working on the tires on the vehicle. Normal force will be working against the gravitational force. That means 4 different kinds of the forces are working on one object. This we have to consider as a what? Free body diagram. Towards of the front side, applied force. Opposite to the applied force on the tires, frictional force. Is downward direction gravitational force, upward direction normal forces are working along the x-axis. Along x-axis. What is the net force? Suppose they will give the diagram is along the x-axis. What is the net force along the x-axis? Is frictional force is more than applied force. Frictional force is more than applied force. That means you have to write small f minus capital F. Small f minus capital F. Suppose if the vehicle will be moving, it is in the sum of the motion, it's moving with some velocity. At the time the applied force is more than the frictional force only. Applied force is more than the frictional force only. Is along the y-axis. Along the y-axis is what will be work? Normal force N1 plus N2 minus gravitational force. Here the sum of this normal force, we have to subtract the gravitational force. We have to subtract that what? Gravitational force. It is working along the y-axis. It will be working on along the x-axis. It is the net force along the x-axis. It is the net force along the y-axis. Like this, we have to calculate the different kinds of the net forces. Which forces are working in the various of the direction? Maybe upward, maybe downward, maybe towards of right, maybe towards of left, towards of front, towards of back. Any direction, if it will work, we have to calculate the net forces. We have to calculate that what? Net forces only. Is there any impact of the net force on the object state and the direction? Suppose this chalk piece is in the rest position, will not move from my hand without applying force. Simply I am applying the force on this one. At the time it will be moved. That means I applied some force, the object will be comes into the motion. Suppose just you have to take the football and keep in the ground for and wait for a few minutes. Will it move? Just you have to tell go, go, go. Will it go? Will it move? No, because of you did not apply any force on the football. Suppose you have to kick with your leg, that means you applied some force on the football. At the time what will be happen? The football will be moving with a certain speed or velocity, moving. After some time it will be stopped due to the working of the friction. In the previous class we discussed, okay, just you kick the football with applying of the more force, it will be moving with speed, high speed, one of your friends again kicked at the time, the direction, will it change or not? Yes, the direction will be changed. Suppose you kick the football, it will be moving, again your friend is here, again he kicked, it will be moving in another direction only. A state of the object will be changed due to the net force, and the direction of the object also will change with the net force only. Simply you have to apply into your daily life application. While you play the football in our school ground, you have to imagine, as while you play the football, mean when it is in the starting time, it is in the rest position, afterward the ball always moving in the different direction like this. Due to the net force only, it will be change its state and it will change its direction only. Next one, is there any chance to change the shape of the object? Suppose this is in a chalk piece. Suppose if I break into two pieces, when I am applying some force on this one, its shape will be changing. Suppose if I kick like this, it will become into the powder. That means shape of this chalk piece will be changed. Sponge duster is there. If I apply the force, the shape will be changing. Yes or no? Yes. Some shapes will be temporary, some shapes will be permanent. Suppose you have to kick to the glass with applying of the more force, at the time what will be happen? The glass will be breaking into the so many of the pieces. It is in a permanent change. Suppose sponge duster, on the sponge duster you have to apply the force, it is in a temporary change. In your textbook you mentioned in one box temporary changes, permanent changes, shape changing or not, that you have to do the work. Okay, due to the net force, the direction will be changing, state will be changing, shape will be changing. Some shapes will be changing temporarily, some shapes will be changing as it permanently. Okay, while you play the carom board, yes, when you kick the striker, at the time what will happen? Coin will be moving. At the time in the different direction the coin will be moving. Yes, that is also one of the example for the change the direction of the any object, state of the any object due to the net force only. Due to the net force only. What are the units for the force? Newton. Newtons are the units for the force we have to remember. Next concept is pressure. What is mean by the pressure? Suppose if you take just one pen and you have to apply some force on here, how you will feel? You will feel as a pain. Why you feel as a pain? Sir, we applied with pen. That's mean applying of the some force on particular unit area, applying of the force on particular unit area, that we have to consider as a pressure. Yes, applying the some force on particular unit area, that we have to consider as a pressure. What are the units for the pressure? Newton meter square. Newton meter square. Newton meter square are the units for the pressure. Is applying some force on particular unit area. Is there any impact of the pressure in our everyday life? Is due to the contact area, just we have to take. Suppose is we have to take the one tub, we have to take. What we have to take? One tub we have to take. In the tub we have to take the completely what? Sand we have to take. Sand we have to take. What we have to take? Sand we have to take. Is one brick we have to take and we have to keep as a horizontally. One brick we have to take and keep as a horizontally in the sand. Is again one as usual tub you have to take with the sand. At this situation you have to keep the same brick in the vertical manner. One only horizontal, again one only vertical. In which situation the brick will be moved in the more depth of the sand. Automatically we can tell in the second situation it will be moved in the more depth into the sand. Why? Because of contact area will be less, effect will be more. By this activity we have to conclude that contact area will be less, effect will be more. Contact area will be more, effect will be less. If the contact area is less, effect will be more. If the contact area will be less, effective more, contact area will be more, effective will be less. Oppositely we have to consider. Suppose pen you have to take in this direction, point we are writing, no, here you have to pull, contact area will be less, effective will be more, reversely you have to pull that. At the time contact area is increasing, effect will be decreasing. Here the contact area is more, contact area is more, effect will be less. Contact area is less, effect will be more. Yes, where from we are writing pointer, you have to keep here, you can get some pen. Reverse, you have to keep your pen. Contact area is more, effect will be less only. As those who will sell the fruits, as they can keep some tub on them head. Before keeping the tub, they can keep the towel, as making it round and keeping here. Because of they are increasing the contact area. Contact area is more, effect will be less. Contact area will be less, effect will be more. Again, as usual, some lorries, transported lorries, they have the more number of wheels. Why they have the more number of wheels mean increasing the contact area, decreasing the effect. Decreasing the effect. As usual, our school bags have the large size strips only, because of when we keep on the shoulder, contact area is more, effect will be less. Suppose strips are very less in size, at the time contact area will be less, effect will be more. We can get the pain as easily only. It is the impact of the pressure in our everyday life. Just in this class we discussed about the net force and again the pressure and applications of the net force. That's mean net force is changing the state of the object, direction of the object and shape of the object also. As due to the pressure also we discussed what contact area will be more, effective will be less. Contact area will be less, effect will be more. One knife you have to take, and which side we are cutting the vegetable, like that you have to try to push somewhere, it will be moving easily because of contact area will be less, effect will be more. Suppose reversely you have to take the knife and try to do it. At the time contact area is more, effect will be less only. These are the concept of this first chapter. You have to maintain the running notes and every point what I am teaching by our online classes, that you are write in our running notes, and I can make that some different kinds of the question from this chapter. I'll send in our group. At the time only you have to write the fair notes. Up to that you don't be write that fair notes, and you don't be copy any answers from the guide and textbook only. Okay, remaining chapters we have to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you, bye.